with red yarn and H hook, chain 21. Slip stitch in the second chain from the hook and in each of the next 4 chains. Single crochet in each of the next 5 chains. Half double crochet in each of the next 9 chains. Chain 2 and slip stitch in the end chain. Working on the opposite side of the chain, chain 2 and half double crochet in each of the next 9 chains. Single crochet in each of the next 5 chains. Slip stitch in each of the next 5 chains and into the first slip stitch you started to end the round. End off and weave in all ends. With black yarn and H hook, make a magic circle. Chain 1 and make 6 single crochets in the ring. On this round, you will skip 1 single crochet anywhere and only make 5 single crochets. Single crochet in each of the 5 stitches around. single crochet in 4 stitches, skipping 1 stitch anywhere on the round. Single crochet in each of the 4 stitches around. Single crochet in 3 stitches around, skipping 1 at any point. Push any of your tails inside the body at this point. Make 1 single crochet in the opposite side just to close the hole. End off, leaving a little tail, and weave it into the body. With white yarn and an H-hook, chain 8. Make 2 half deceives in the 3rd chain from the hook. Single crochet in the next chain. Slip stitch in each of the next 2 chains. Single crochet in the next chain. Make 5 half DCs or double crochets in the end chain. Working on the opposite side of the chain, single crochet in the next stitch. Slip stitch in each of the next 2 stitches. Single crochet in the next stitch. Make 1 half DC in the end chain where you began the first half DCs. Join to the top of the beginning chain 2 with a slip stitch. End off and weave in all ends. Sew to the back body of the bee as shown. Sew the fly to the end of the tongue as shown. weave the wide end of the mouth through the opening at the top and sew a ring to the end. Attach your keys and fob and you're all set.